the president has built 10 churches for the Assemblies of God. And he promised in 2024 when he was campaigning. So he was like, oh, politicians and their promises.
For a higher Ghana Sem TV GH in Pacho, share platform now subscribe ama ye now power tapping so na commenting so me that was say. For politicians politicians strong fear politicians. Why am I saying this? There's a very, very viral news is circulating currently, and I am shocked, very, very much shocked to the highest. I didn't hear. Yes, see, and I say I confirm say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, just 8 months Edina Abetina Akunyane so as the President of the Republic, and he has constructed over 10. Okay, so the figure is 10 churches for the Assemblies of God. Sorry, Diane, full church from scratch to finish. Just say foundation, no upper structure, no every roofing, no instrument, microphones, BBR, and on top of that, or the apartment complex. I can't sorry. Yes, see, at there now, I had the BCR or see a pledge. Or shebo ama sorry no say yetu abamano no be your mampenia asade no be your ma sorry no na me bisa we busianfo. Are we sure say 10 churches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and never gonna have person see them ba kuranya easy na ye mampeni no kunya scan no me I have problems with these things, and the reason I have problem is because we all know the salary you are coming to take as president. Now, ufa salary no. Now, multiply by 12. Salary abenya in 1 year. Now, calculate for the 4 years. Our be omampeni kra. That project 1 year within 8 months. No, salary end. And how come you are willing to spend more than you will get as income for the work you are going to do these 4 years? Never be saying any corruption, no. Corruption. Now, second thing, and they say, sad year, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has done for Eiiii Assemblies of God. Millions of Ghana cedis. I also any personal pledge, and no any Akufuado National Cathedral, no. What's the difference? And the difference being you, but you're much renew. Ebia, mina minti nema biase. Because what make us say personal pledge, Emma was sorry, no. Okay? Now, Sika will use it a mini way and themselves as kind to me through bottom. Because we salary crying do sir. Okay? Now, Obi so say ni pledge man yakupon say, or we near obesi diamond. National one. Now, or the Abai Sika. What's the difference? But you see, where the anyasem naba you.
Got it for you.
Yeah. Currently where I'm staying now.
Oh, before yesterday, when was the last time you?
We spoke on Tuesday actually. I was at Gomuafete where we were expecting the president. The president has built 10 churches for the Assemblies of God. And he promised in 2024 when he was campaigning. So he was like, oh, politicians and their promises. The Okaso Basi National Cathedral, Wanyama. Yeah. So like that. But within 1 year, he delivered all 10 churches with accommodation, fully furnished with instrument and everything.
Assemblies of God.
Assemblies of
by
God.
The president.
It's not even 1 year.
Yes.
6 months.
He promised that in November in Navrongo.
Okay, so let's take a look at that project.
These are the churches.
Yeah, these are the churches.
So these are the churches?
Yeah, 10 of them. Within 1 year. The accommodation fully furnished.
It's nice, yeah.
Lordina furnished all the kitchens.
Yeah.
So the pastor's wife, all you have to do is to go into the room.
So these are 10 different branches of Assemblies of God.
Yes.
So where are they situated? Which part of the country?
Region, we have 5.
Enya sem naba, anka we yente, anka it will be swept under the carpet. Anka say 20 church buildings, so 70 church buildings, so untimidre. We asemaba helicopter go crash. And I can say, oh, as a yes, Assemblies of God program now. Anka, sa helicopter ka yeman pedi nebe wom. Okay? And now you bisa say, oh, understand Assemblies of God. At the end day, Omampeni ama a new priority ahead of mining because we are paying him as the president. And if the state is organizing a program, the nation is organizing a program, and your church is organizing, you must attend to that of the nation. Okay? And that is when we started hearing this explanation say, why I did be some combia assorino, international per se, or moon acknowledging. Now per se, they wanted to how do you call it? They wanted to give him an award. And I say, I depend on I am Assemblies of God because your man Penino, he has been Assemblies of God all this while. One year she am one. Now I understand we the other president 8 months now Muslim be Bonabas will say, and I will say we see 10 churches fully completed, fully furnished. And then a pastor's apartment, full one, 8 months. Hey! Our money, Ghana money. Oga de chop nyafu, he de chop nyafu, Mahama de chop nyafu, chop, Mahama de chop nyafu. Wait here, assembly and the Robert make a say sika. Do the taxpayers' money. Not saying because that is not sound. And yes, sound. See you in the next one, the bush and four.
Thinking, whether Nanado was going to be president forever. And you were not going to take over. Why do we always have to get this numb? Like, we are numb until, like, it's like, I don't know how to call it. Like, you are numb. We hibernate until a disaster, a chaotic situation happens. And that is the time that Ghanaians, we now realize, say, it was say ye tu nipa fu, ewo, ekwa impaso. President John Dramani Mahama, do you imagine what would have happened if you had told Sami Jemfi when he hit the road and was doing those stupid things that that's not politics?